Hi guys, this is Dante with Drive and Thrive, and tonight we're going to talk about McDonald's delivery pickups and how to deal with those annoying fast food pickups generally. But first, make sure to hit like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on future news, tips, and tricks from this channel. And by the way, I know what you're thinking, and yes, this is a Thundercat shirt. So a lot of people, myself included, have been very annoyed walking into a McDonald's and having to deal with terrible employees, you know, shady looking customers around, etc. Okay, so this is how I get around all the negative and stressful things that go along with McDonald's and other fast food deliveries. So the first thing I do now, I'm actually excited when I get a McDonald's order because 9 times out of the 10, the restaurant has a drive-through. And I just go through the drive-through. I give them the pickup order code. They give me the food. And then I drive off to the customer. And because here in Seattle, Uber Eats is not a door delivery service, the customer comes right out to the car. I hand them the food. And off we go. In fact, they're so easy that sometimes I'll hang around a McDonald's just to constantly get pinged there. So I make like McDonald's runs back and forth, and just stack up money. Now, where does the problem come in? Where does all the annoying things come? Well, if you go inside to the McDonald's, then you have to wait at a McDonald's like Uber Eats pickup line. Sometimes you have to wait behind other drivers. You have to yell your code because they don't do it by name. So you have to look on your phone, try to yell the code. And then a lot of times they'll hand you the drink and they'll tell you to go fill the drink up. And that can be really annoying because, it just adds more work to our job. And it's not our job to do. Now, Uber Eats and McDonald's have a partnership. And I know at the McDonald's downtown, one which does not have a drive-thru, when I go inside, they already have the drinks prepared along with the food. So they're very professional there. But in a lot of McDonald's, they'll just hand you the cup. And in order to have them pour the drink, sometimes it takes a little teat-to-teat back and forth. So a lot of times people just go ahead and pour the drink. Now, I look at the situation this way. Us as drivers, we don't have a food handler's permit. I don't even think it may be against the law for us to take a cup, fill it up. All sorts. We're not wearing hairnets. Anything. So what I do, I politely say, I don't have a food handler's permit. I work for Uber Eats. This is not my food. I'm not comfortable pouring the drinks. Would you mind pouring the drinks? And 9 times out of 10, they'll say yes. The times that they do not say yes, you know what? I go ahead and pour the drink because it's not worth arguing about. But almost every time I do a fast food delivery, there's a drive-thru. There are restaurants like Taco Time, some KFC restaurants that don't have drive-thrus. And in that case, I politely ask the staff to go ahead and pour the drinks for me. Don't say the names, just give the order number. And that applies for McDonald's and a lot of fast food places. Because for some reason, when they look on the code sheet, what they see is, instead of the name, they see the order number. So it just saves a lot of time and hassle. By the way, I never advise anyone to cancel orders. But if you come to a situation where it's late at night and you have a call to a McDonald's and you arrive and the line is, you can tell it's not moving at all. It's going to take about 20 minutes for you to finally get the food. I suggest on those very rare times to go ahead and cancel the order. Because I know a lot of the stress and frustration that comes with McDonald's drivers are those rare times. When it's not even the staff rudeness or having to pour the drink, where it's just simply the frustration of waiting in a long line. And in those cases, just do yourself a favor. For your mental health, for your sanity, just go ahead and cancel that order. You know, if you use cancellations properly, you will be canceling very, very, very infrequently. I think my cancellation rate is something like 2 or 3% of all the orders I receive. So follow that advice. When you get an order for a fast food restaurant, go through the drive-thru if possible, if they have one. Second, remember, give the order number first, not the name. Third, politely ask the employees or staff to make the drinks for you. And fourth, of course, if there's a long line, go ahead and use your cancellation. It's okay. It won't be the end of the world. So you do those things, and McDonald's orders will be a breeze. And like me, you may actually look forward to those McDonald's and fast food deliveries because it saves time, and yeah, you can actually make some good money from them. So make sure to hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful hints and tricks on Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates. And have a great day. Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.